Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Food Talks with Mika, and today we're back with another steamy video. The video today, we're doing some pepper sauce. The only pepper sauce lovers are they paid up for themselves while they're running and phone on their TV, on their laptop, on their phone, on their tablet right now because this video is gonna be steamy and they will really enjoy it. So without further ado, I want to say thank you to all my subscribers, all the new subscribers who just jumped in, so they want to be here a long time or they know all yourself. Pick up all you. So we're going to jump into the video. Or don't forget, like, comment and share. Subscribe to the channel. Or subscribe. Remember, we're looking to hit 1,000 subscribers. I still have a little way to go. No problem at all. Just keep subscribing, keep commenting, keep liking, and keep sharing these videos. To those of you who shy to comment because you don't want yourself to be out there like that, hey, you can always share this channel, you understand? And encourage your friends to look at comment once, twice. It doesn't matter how many times you comment because you ain't paying for that. It's free. So without further ado, let me jump into the video. Oh. Okay guys, so we're back and we have some hot peppers here, right? Scotch bonnet, hot pepper, right? Here I have some celery, I have chadon beni as well, right? I have garlic and I have onions, and I have chadon beni, and I have some lemon juice as well. Lemon juice, that is make the pepper sauce kicking. So we're going and jump into the video right now.
Later.
Alright guys, so we're back. So here we're going to do now. We're going to jump into the thing. We get to the thing right here. So I have lemon juice here and I add some water to that, right? So I'm going to put that in my blender. Right, everything going in one time. Everything going in one time. Peppers going in. Chadon beni, celery, garlic, onion. Alright, yeah, so we have everything inside the blender looking nice. And we go and add this fella here one time. Mustard. Everything going in one time, I tell you. Everything going in one time. So the mustard is give the pepper a nice yellow color. You understand? So I add in that one time. And we looking to put it down the blender and start to blend up this thing. Alright, so let's see the pepper sauce blend up. Nice. So now I mix it up nice and I'm going to add a little sprinkle of salt. So the salt is the preserver in this pepper sauce. So the salt is preserved, nice like a pie. Just enough salt. You know, not for it to be like salty or anything, but you just add a little salt for taste. And then you mix it. And I just taste my pepper sauce. So I have to come back because I want you to see my facial expression when I taste this pepper sauce. Anything you're cooking or you're making, you have to taste it. So I just taste my pepper sauce. Who else taste the pepper sauce? Or just comment below and tell me. Comment below before you bottle it out. Comment and let me know if you just taste the pepper sauce. To see if it tastes into how you want it to taste. Where it's missing, where you have to add more of and blend it over and think. So comment below. Alright, so I want to taste the pepper sauce. Like I have my tasting spoon here. So let me see what's going on. I have a little bit here in the spoon. Not much, a little thing in the spoon. But I have a little thing. The salt content is good. Charlotte beni and everything. Good. Yeah, so that's good, yeah. Yeah, let me show it again. That is it. Yeah, I have a nice glass bottle here, man. So let me grab a funnel. And through out. Right, I will get about 2 bottles of pepper sauce from this. Alright, so this all you see. I get 2 jars of pepper sauce here. And I have a little remain here. I can't let that waste. So I have a mango cut up here. I don't know. Mango chow. So I go and put that in it. You can't have chow without pepper. What kind of thing is that? And I go chow. Chow without pepper. No man. So I add that. And I go and add the next mango with that. And thing all there. And it's chow, you know. One time. Pepper sauce now make. Can't stick. I have to use it up one time.